Hi, welcome back to LeetCode. In this video, I'm going to discuss LeetCode problem 3361, shift distance between two strings. So you are given two strings S and T, both of the same length, and two integers arrays next cost and the previous cost. So in one operation, you can pick any index I of S and perform either one of the following actions. So shift Si to the next letter of in the alphabet. So suppose our current character is A, then actually I can convert this to B. If it current character is B, then I actually convert this to C. So this is the next. So if it is already Z, then the next character will be A. Okay. So then what is the cost of this operation? The cost will be calculated from next cost of particular index I. Okay. Whatever the character actually I have. So this is for converting to next character. If it is, I can actually convert also in the previous character also. So this is the next operation I can actually do. Suppose this is our current character is Z, then actually I can shift to Y. If it is A, then I can if I call the previous, if I do the previous operation, then it will be actually convert from A to Z. Okay, then what will be the cost of this? Cost will be calculated by previous cost of particular index I. Okay. So we have to find out the shift distance is the minimum total cost of operation required to transform S into T. So we have to find the minimum cost to transform S, the string S into string T, correct? So suppose for this example 1, so our string S is ABAB and target string T is BABA. So if I have to convert this string to S to T, then it is sure that each character should be also same. So for this example, like here actually it is present as A, in string T it is present as B. So I have to always I have to convert this character to B, correct? Our target character is B for this position. So how actually we can actually convert this from string character A to character B? We can go to the next flow, next character A to B. Okay, so and then what will be the cost of this operation, cost of this transformation? Cost of transformation of cost of A is 100. Next, correct? And another way actually I can actually convert, first I convert A to Z, then Z to Y, then Y to X. In this way I actually convert this C, then B, correct? In this actually I can actually find out another cost 2 suppose. Okay, so if I this is a two way, any another way actually possible. How? Suppose I first go to A to B, then I go to C, then actually I go to D, then actually I call the next the previous character, then actually convert to again C, C to again B, correct? This is the next. Now I'm calling previous. Okay, so but here actually cost is always positive. Every cost is value is positive. Positive means non-negative. It may be 0, but not non-negative. So whatever the cost actually this operation actually I have, suppose C3, that will be always greater than equals to this cost 1. Suppose this is cost 1, it is sure, because this is the things I have already calculated. This is the C1, and whatever the actually operation I am transformation I am calling, that will be always non-negative. So at least it will be C3 is equal to C1 or C3 greater than C1. But this is not possible that C3 less than C1. That is not possible, correct? That's why I will choose the shortest transformation actually we need. Okay, so there is only two way actually got it, right? Straightforward. First of all, I will go to the next and previous. In this I will reach to the target character. Then actually I will take whatever the cost actually I have, both the way, like cost 1 and cost 2. Then I will take the minimum of this cost 1 and cost 2. Cost 1 and cost 2. So why actually taking the minimum? So just go to the logic actually. So we need the minimum answer, minimum cost to convert string S to string T. Now there suppose L characters are present. L characters. Okay, L characters are present. Now for each character I need some cost. So suppose C1 plus C2 plus C3, this is the cost for each character. So this is CL. Okay, so this is non-negative, every cost is non-negative. correct? It may possible both are actually already same, a, that time our cost will be, suppose ci will be 0, correct? So that's why the cost will be always non-negative. Now if I suppose somehow actually minimize the cost of any each cost of each character, so that time our total cost will be always minimize or decrease. This is clear logically. If I minimize the cost value of each character, then actually our total sum will be also be decreased, correct? So that's our target is for each character I will choose the minimum value. If I choose that, ultimately our answer will be always minimum, because I have to add the cost, correct? So that's why I'll choose the minimum of both this operation. Like this is the for the next like whatever actually I can do the in the next in this way, a to b, b to c in this way. Another is the previous, so I'll take the minimum cost out of these two, and whatever the actual cost actually I have, I will add this into our answer, correct? This is clear logically. So that's why I will have suppose character suppose b, and this is the string s, and t actually I have suppose e. Okay, so this is our target character, and this is our current character. So what is the position of this? Position is b position is 1, and target position is a b c d e. So this will actually 4. So I will actually go to from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. So till I am not reaching the target position, I will actually add the sum of next cost of position. Okay, so this is the one possible. Another first cost and second cost is starting from this position I have to reach 4. So I will just decrease by 1, then 26 or 25 or 26 anything, then 25, then 24. In this way I will reach to the 4. I will just decrease -1, -1, -1. Here actually I am increasing +1, +1, +1. Got it? In this way. Then actually whenever I reach the target position 4, I will break from that, and I will got the one cost 2. So out of these two costs, I will take the minimum and add it into the answer. Now go to actually code. It will be actually easy. So I have to return this actually long. So that's why I'm taking an answer variable as initially it will be 0. So I'm checking each character by character, correct? Because ultimately order is not doesn't matter that what character actually I have to first optimize or convert to the target character. This doesn't matter, right? So that's why I'm just starting from each character by character, position by position. So this is our actually current position, and this is a target character position. So there are two costs are possible, one for the next, another for the positive previous. Okay, so this is for the next. I am calculating till we are not reaching the target character, c1 not equal to c2. I am taking the cost, whatever the cost I need to convert the next character. So that's position. I will add this into the cost 1 and go to the next character. Next character will be what? c1 plus 1, correct? Means suppose this is already 25, 20 plus 5, this should be z to a. They mentioned that. So z position is 25 index wise, and a position is 0 index wise, right? So if I add plus 1, that will ultimately 26, but if I take the modulo of this, so ultimately this will be 0. Got it? So that's why I have handled this in this way. So this is the if I go to the actually like next character, this will be ultimately store the whatever cost I need into the cost 1 variable. And again I am starting from the starting character position. Again I am taking that si minus a, and now we have to go to the previous, right? So here actually I have to decrease by -1. So that's why till we are not reaching the target character position, I will just run this while loop, and here I am at the previous cost value, current index, current position, and here actually I have to decrease by 1. So that's why I am just decreasing. Suppose I am here at a, so if I decrease, I go to the previous character, I have to reach z. So a position is 0 and z position is 25. So if I do 0 minus 1, it will be what actually ultimately do? It will actually give us the 20 minus 1, but I need actually 25. So there's a 26 character position. If I add the 26, that time actually return actually 25. Got it? In this actually I will handle this modulo operation, and ultimately this cost calculate the two cost store in the cost 1 and cost 2, correct? and at the end I will actually take whatever the minimum cost actually I have to need to convert this from target characters from SI to TI, and I will add this into the answer variable, and ultimately after checking all the character, I will converting all the target string T, I will return the answer variable whatever the cost actually I have. So it is clear. If you like the explanation, please like the video and subscribe to get the update explanation video from LeetCode's problem. Now what is the time complexity of this problem? Time complexity is like here actually we are running a for loop. So if the string character string length is L, so this run actually L times this for loop, right? Big of L. And any other while loop, this while loop actually may run actually 26 times maximum, like it may convert to A to B. So A to B is actually okay. This write shift will be completed in only once time, but for the previous approach it will take the 25 times. So this may run actually maximum 25 times this while loop, any one of these, correct, 25 times. So L into 25, it is clear, big of L into 25, because each character position I can actually this while loop run actually maximum 25 times. Suppose this is the position situation where I am trying to convert A to B. So this first while loop will run only once, but this while loop will run actually 25 times, correct? So that's the time complexity will be big of L into 25, and space complexity we are taking only answer variable. So that's why any other we are not taking anything. So that's why the space complexity big of 1. If you like the explanation, please like the video. If any suggestion, you can also comment on that. Thank you.